So okay, so we want to. Okay, so first we want to save this to Firebase, a Firestore, which is kind of like what we did to save the user. So we want to save this as a post. Well, we also want the user, so maybe we should pass the user to the. I didn't even think about that. We won't do that yet. We'll just show you how to show the post, but we'll need to save the user to so we know what user it is. So I guess later we'll show a profile picture and stuff. We'll at least show the name of who posted the stuff. I don't want it to be like anonymous, which you could do. But anyways, let's just do that and option enter, all enter, whatever device you're on, and we'll just do posts and then post. There'll be more. So in author, we could put the username or the user ID. We could put the username too, but either way, we'll have different fields. I want to make this a variable. I don't want to type it out. We want to also check if it's empty or not before we even let them. We'll do that later. We know we're obviously doing it right now, but we'll do that later. So instead of this, also. All right, and Arthur, we don't have anything, so we'll just post the post right now. I just want to show you how to do this. So, and also we need to show the post. See there, one thing to notice here is they're using a stateless widget, but we have a stateful widget because we could probably use a stateless widget for newsfeed, but I don't know if we want to change it later, which we could obviously change easily. They have a function that they have shortcuts to help you. But I also want to just show you this. If you're using stateful and you have a stream, I want to put it directly like this, or it'll give you weird functionality. Basically, it starts acting really weird and stuff. So you might see multiple data getting pulled in or something, or refreshing every time. So really, we'll need all of this, of course, but um, really, we just want. Also, we just need to put this in a variable, the string part, and we'll put it in a knit state in the news feed. We have a stateful. I usually just always use stateful. So I always need to change it anyways to a stateful, usually later. But so we'll do put it right under the button. So I don't know if I copied the right stuff. Yep, I did. Okay. Which obviously you can copy it if you visible code on know. But yeah, if you're using the list view, you need to make it a which it didn't really throw an error. I'll just show you. So we'll change this to post. What do we put title? We put post. We should have put post text or something. Oh, we haven't even saved anything, right? Oh, we'll put title. Yeah, that's a good name for it, title. But I think it did it. Oh, okay. Oh, that's the list view. Yep. So we need to wrap this with a container and set the size, which we're in a already in a. I don't think it'll work if you're in Stream Builder. Stream Builder is the direct parent. I don't think it'll work. So uh, let's see. I don't think using expanded will work, which I haven't tried it in a while. I've had to do this. I need to look at how I did it. So I did use a column. Let's see. I think this will actually mess it up. I don't know. It didn't. And this actually centered, which is weird. Uh, I guess. Anyways, you need to take the subtitle out. Or just comment it out. And then, I don't remember if that would work or not, but okay, so now we'll just create the post and see if it shows up. I just ran it just because. See how it shows the login first? Just a quick flash of it. We'll need to do something about that, but we'll worry about it later. That's kind of weird. Okay, but see now it'll show up. So of course it's just ugly. So this is the idea. I mean, of course it's gonna be ugly, but right now. But really, what I didn't show you is putting this in a variable. So we'll just stream and no, okay, yeah, no, we'll do it in this state. It's in build every time, so we don't want that. So it will refresh. You'll notice if we have images in there, like how it refreshes and looks ugly. Like that's the main thing when putting the stream in the stateful widget. You just have to be careful about that. So stream. Oh man. Okay. So what is this? A string? I don't even know what this is. How you always know? There's a shortcut to show you, but stream query snapshot. See, this is what you use right here. This is a quick way to kind of figure out. Right? Well, just to show you, everything works the same still. We'll actually do a run. So yeah, that's that. We'll save the user right now real quick. So we'll just get the user, which don't we have code here? That's what this comes in place to have the user object. And really, we won't worry about doing this. Copying, that's a good thing. Anyways, we're gonna make another function, so we don't have to keep copy and pasting this stuff. But should I just do that now? No, we won't. We'll just. But later we're gonna use the block pattern, and we won't worry about all of this really. So, anyways, but we'll put this in another like author or user repository. We'll also make a user model, but that will be the next video. So we'll clean this up because duplicate code is bad, really. I mean, I just say it's bad. In my opinion, it is. So. So yeah, we just need to add that stuff real quick. So when we get the user, we'll just pass it to the yeah, we just do that. But yeah, this will be way better later. I'm just trying to show you real quick. That's the whole point. Um, so we'll pass user and then we'll do logged in user, which yeah, it gives you the basic stuff. So I'll go ahead and post that. But obviously it gives an error because we don't have that in a user in here. So which it didn't create the what you call it for us. Thought it usually threw an error. Thought it usually threw an error. We did register. Oh no, we didn't do that here. I don't think we passed anything to anything, right? But basically, it's this, so which is weird. Anyways, this will be okay. And then we'll do what fields do they have? To access it, we have to do widget.user. So email display name. What do we have as display? Do we even set that? Actually, I don't even want to do it like this because the whole point of us even saving the user was to show this stuff. Display name. I don't even know they had a display name. I guess you could save that. But anyways, I really want to save this data right here. Well, we'll just show their email for now. Yeah, oh well. No, we'll use this. So we'll just pass the name. See, that's why we'll do this in the next video. I'll just save the user for now. We'll keep that like that, but right now we'll just save the email and we'll display the email under it. Just to show it, I mean, it'll be the same person. So which we probably won't even have this field in post. Maybe. You might need it for something. I can't think of anything right now, but so we'll just run this. And then we'll do okay, create, which I didn't even change anything. So yeah, we don't have these hard coded right here either. I mean, that would be hard coded, but somewhere else. Which, yep, okay. We need to make this stuff anyway, so. What about accessing it or just showing it? We'll see. I think it's just about showing it. Thought you could do that. I guess not. So no user email, right? But now this one should have a user email. Put you through an error. Let me give us the email. What the heck? We're not even calling. I'm tripping. We're not calling get current user. See, that's kind of what's bad about not putting it in a function, which we'll have to do it anyways. But so that was two things that take out that navigator and call get current user. Okay, so now it should be good. Post text is texting again, and we'll see the email right here. So we'll make it look better. We also need to save the time, which it has. I'll just show you real quick. I actually forgot what it is. Fire timestamp. It's something. Something timestamp. Oh yeah, it has it right here, I guess. But you call it like let's just put I forgot it. I have to look it up. But oh, timestamp now. That's what I would use. So that'll save the time. You should always save dates and times. We should also I can't speak. We should also add this to user. So you should always save the time of everything. You might need it no matter what. Save a time and an updated date. Save a created date and an updated date. So really I'll put date. I'll show you how to convert it into a human readable date because it's just a bunch of numbers. Basically, sort of. But yeah, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.